'Cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd...
Alright, to get print-ready files out of Canva, this is what you need to do. First of all, when you log into Canva, you will default to the home screen, which is this screen right here. To find the projects that I have shared with you, you're going to click Projects, and it looks a little bit different on my end. So just so you know, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Folders, and you're going to look for a folder that says Yearbook, all the kids' files that look good. I think is what I named it. But if you don't see it, what you need to do is come up here and select Shared with You. That is how you're going to see the items that have actually been shared with you. But for the purposes of this video, what I'm going to do is come in here and I'm going to export this particular design right here. So I'm going to click into it. I'm going to click Edit. And then that's going to load the design. Okay, here you'll see that I actually have two different versions of this page because one I helped her finish. Okay, so if I want to turn this particular design off, I can come up here, I think, and hit Hide the Page. And so I'm going to click Hide the Page. So now that page is hidden. And now it's only going to export this one, which is the one that I like, the one that's done. So now I'm going to click up here. Oh, and I will show you one thing. So if I wanted to just make sure that this is going to export correctly, let me type in something that will produce a video. Actually, I'll do this. Click Video. And I want you to pay attention to the top right corner of what happens if this is on the page. Okay, immediately you see this, play button up here. That's because I put something on the page that is video content or animation. So if you load a child's design and it shows that it has this play button, you need to respond back to the kid and say, please remove all the animation and the video from your file. They will know what that means. Okay, so I just hit undo to undo my change there. So now that play button has gone away. And so now I'm ready to export it. So now I'm going to hit share. And I'm going to click download, and then I'm going to make sure that it comes up here that I select PDF print, because that is what I need. And then here I can tell it to select which pages of this presentation I want it to export. You'll see because I hid the first page, it's going to automatically know, oh, okay, I just want to export the second page. And so I'm going to make sure, though, because you can come up here and you can actually check which one of these pages you want to export. And then you make sure that you select CMYK. As you can see, it says best for professional printing. RGB is used for anything like social media graphics, things like that, anything digital. So if I want it to be for professional printing, I just click CMYK. And then I come up here and I hit download. Now what you'll see is it will download this file, but it will download it with this name that's up here. Okay, and so if you want to change that, you can just simply click up here and change the name. But I'm going to wait now for this file to actually download. It'll just take a few minutes. And I can always, this is my little trick that I do. Sometimes I come up here and I come up here and do it again. And then that way I can see that, okay, that first one is still downloading. Okay, anyways. So now I'm going to come up over here and I'm going to open up this file. And you'll see it's a PDF. It's ready to roll. And it's on my computer. It's saved as the file name, like I said, up in that top right corner. So now there's the file. And so I would take this file and I would be ready to upload it into Entourage at this time. Alright, so that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you so much. I will see you in class.
'Cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd...